Hey mamas, Samantha here and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be sharing what is in my hospital bag. I have been really meaning to get to this video and kind of have put everything aside, but now that I am 38 weeks pregnant, I really need to put everything away and show you guys what I will be bringing to the hospital with me. So this is my first baby, and a lot of you might be thinking that I am overpacking, but I am somebody who would rather just have it and not use it, and due to COVID, you can't leave the hospital or anything. So I also have some extra things because I have been practicing hypnobirthing, so I'll have my hypnobirthing stuff, and then I also plan on breastfeeding, so I'll have some breastfeeding and postpartum extras as well. Before packing your bag, I definitely recommend calling your hospital or birthing center, wherever you're planning on birthing, and figuring out what they do provide you with afterwards for postpartum care and for baby. I called my hospital and was put on hold for 20 minutes with the labor and delivery receptionist. She went and tried to speak to a few nurses and basically told me that they offer wipes and diapers for baby. And I was like, do you guys have Dermaplast? Do you have nipple cream? What do you have for mama, And she basically just couldn't answer me. So it didn't really help me in my case. And I had put a lot of postpartum stuff on my baby registry that I have already received. So I have some for home, and I will be bringing a few things for the hospital as well, because you just don't know, and I would hate to get there and not have that stuff. So I am bringing this carry-on luggage. It will be super easy for Jorge just to wheel into the hospital, and then afterwards really easy to wipe down after being in the nasty hospital. In this, we'll start with my toiletry bag. My husband and I are sharing one, so his stuff is already in here as well. This is the bag. I purchased it off Amazon, and I will have it linked below. But you just open it up. And inside, I have my sleep mask, which I probably won't be using, but just in case. And then I have my hairbrush. This is from Crave. It's a really cute color. I have a headband, just in case I get sweaty during labor and just want to put all the hair back. My glasses case, very important. I have a little mirror in here if I want to put on some makeup or whatever, and I have hair ties in here as well. And when you open this pouch up, I have our deodorant. Both are toothbrushes with these Steri-Pods. They're really nice for traveling. Keeps your toothbrush sanitary. Toothpaste. I have some pills in here, like my prenatal and probiotics, which you continue to take even after birth. Then in this pocket over here, from Sephora, I have accumulated so many travel size and sample things. So I brought all, the skincare that I usually use and I've tried before. I have their samples here. And then also, I don't think I'll be washing my hair, but I do have a shampoo and conditioner if I need it. I have some dry shampoo, face wash, lip balm. This is from Laneige. I love this one. I have my Sol de Janeiro body lotion, spray, and body wash. And then I have my doTERRA Deep Blue for any back pains that I'll be having. I also have a little bit of makeup I'll be taking with me. I do not by any means plan on putting on a full face of makeup, but I think, after she's born, if I want to send out some pictures, then I'll have it if I want to put it on. But honestly, I don't think I will be using this. So in here, I do just have the Ilia, it's a super light foundation. I have my concealer from Makeup Forever, my Thrive mascara, which I love, my Thrive brow pencil, which I also love, some powder, and then I also have my wildfigbomb.com chapstick, which is exactly what it says it is. And then this is the essential oils bag that I packed. I don't know if I'll be taking all of these, but again, it's just something I've been practicing with my hypnobirthing. I have 2 rollers that I use all the time, my headache and my energizing one, so I'll definitely be bringing those. And I also made a labor blend to kind of put all over my stomach with clary sage, fennel, and lavender to hopefully help speed up my contractions. I also have peppermint and bergamot in here. I'm not sure if I'm going to bring my diffuser yet. I may not, just because it's kind of bulky and just have the bottles to smell in the hospital. Okay, so I had to label all of my little bags. I think it'll just be super easy for my husband to grab whatever I need while we're in the hospital. We're not digging through stuff. Everything has its own place. So in my undergarments bag, I have one nursing bra. This one is from Target. It's the Auden nursing bra in black. It's really comfortable. So I have this one for after labor or whatever, and I will be going to the hospital in my Kindred Bravely bra. Already wearing that one. I also have my Kindred Bravely underwear packed. I have the under the bump kind, and then also the postpartum high rise. So kind of just whatever I'm feeling, I'll put on. And then I also have some grip socks for the hospital. The ones that they give you there are just so big, they never fit me. These are shorter and more comfortable, so I'm hoping they let me wear them. I have these for after I shower after giving birth, and then I have a pink pair that I'll wear going into the hospital. So in my clothing cube, I have a labor gown I purchased off of Amazon to put on after I give birth and shower. I was planning on wearing this during labor, but it will most likely just get tossed afterwards. So I'll wear a hospital gown and then change into this afterwards. I'm bringing my Kindred Bravely long sleeve sleep gown for pajamas. It is so comfortable and will be super easy to nurse in and still be checked by the nurses in as well. I have a white nursing tank with two options packed, either my comfy joggers from Kindred Bravely, or for more compression I have my Blanky leggings packed. I have a heavy cardigan packed too because I know how freezing cold hospitals can be, so definitely make sure you pack something to keep you warm. For going home, I have my Dwell in Slumber dress, which needs to be ironed badly, but we'll see if I get to that. And then I have a postpartum and breastfeeding bag. So in here, like I said, because the hospital wasn't really able to give me like straightforward answers, I kind of went a little overboard. I received the Freedom Mom postpartum kit, so I did pack 2 of the ice packs. I'm just gonna throw them in the big suitcase when I'm done packing it all up. I also put 2 of the Freedom Mom mesh underwear in there. I know the hospital ones aren't very comfortable, so I'm hoping these will work better, and just, I think if I want more compression, these will be the way to go. And then I also have, for when I get home, I bought some of the Depends underwear just in case I'm really bleeding super bad. And I figured this would be like a better situation if I want to layer things. It'd be easier with these. So I'm gonna bring 2 of these with me as well. Since I have them, I know the hospital will probably give me Dermaplast and the Tux cooling pads and all that good stuff. But I have the Freedom Mom perineal cooling pad liners too. You know, I'm really hoping that after I give birth, I don't tear anything or need stitches, but even if I don't end up with stitches, you still have to be very careful down there, wiping and everything. It's very painful. So I did end up getting the Freedom Mom peri bottle. The ones that they give you at the hospital are just horrible. They get everywhere. The Freedom Mom one just gives you a really nice flow and it goes where you want it. So I definitely recommend getting one of these before you get to the hospital. I'll also be bringing my Earth Mama organic nipple butter with me. I'm going to try breastfeeding like I said, so just in case I need it, I'm sure my nipples will be sore, so I have this. And then even though a lot of people's milk doesn't come in till like a few days after you give birth, I've already been leaking and producing colostrum pretty early on in my pregnancy at like 26 weeks, so I haven't really needed them. It's just at nighttime when it happens, but I do have the little Bamboo Bees breast pads just in case. So now on to the fun stuff, the baby stuff. So I don't know if I'm going to bring my diaper bag. I basically packed a diaper bag ready to go, but I know for the hospital, they're gonna pretty much take care of everything that needs to be done for her. So I'm debating whether taking this or not, but at least when I come home, I will have the diaper bag ready to go as well. I plan on doing a whole what's in my diaper bag video, but this is the one I did go with. It's the Dane & Dover large indie backpack. I really love it. It holds so much stuff and is super comfortable to carry. So a friend gave me this at my baby shower. She told me that, for late night feedings, this would be really good to have. And in the hospital, it's so dark. And if you do put on like one light, it's just blinding. So this is a really great option. You just turn it on the bottom. So you press it twice and it's fully on. You can dim it or make it brighter, whatever you want. So this is really cool. And I'm sure it will come in really handy when we're just breastfeeding at home as well. I do have 2 swaddles ready to go in here. I have her car seat cover. I do have just like a pack of the Honest diapers and then some wipes. And then in this cute wet bag, I have all of her clothes. This will be her coming home outfit. It is from Caden Lane. It is adorable. It's the knotted gown at the bottom. And it came with the matching knotted hat. Oh, I guess it's not knotted because the dryer took that out. But the cute little hat. And if I didn't want to do the hat, I also had 2 bow options to go. So I have like this mint green one and then a pink one. So kind of just whatever I'm feeling. I'm also going to bring this newborn onesie jammy. And then I also have a 0 to 3 months onesie just in case she's a big baby. And then I'm also just bringing 2 pairs of socks and 2 pairs of mittens. I have a bag for my husband packed and ready to go. He has 2 pairs of clothes in here, 2 shirts, 2 shorts, a pair of sweatpants, a sweatshirt, and then a going home outfit as well. And I also have a little electronics bag packed. I definitely want to try to vlog my birth. I've shared so much about my hypnobirthing practices and just, I want to have that memory and to be able to look back on and also to share with you guys. So I'm really excited to labor at home for as long as possible, get some footage there, and then when I go to the hospital, I'll have my GorillaPod with my phone set up. So I'll be able to film there as well. I also have packed a 10-foot charger for both my husband and I. In hospitals, the outlets are behind the beds and you need a super long cord, so I definitely recommend investing in a long cord or just bring an extension cord with you. I also have my AirPods. I'm sure I'll put them in at home, but they are fully charged, ready to go. I have my birth playlist all set, so I'll definitely be using these. And then I also have a power bank charger, so if I'm being lazy and just in the hospital bed, want to play on my phone or whatever, I'll have this, and I don't really need to even use the charger. I have it, so I might as well bring it. So for hypnobirthing, I have my AirPods to listen to my birth playlist. I have my essential oils to be smelling and helping calm me down. I have the peanut ball and the birth ball. Both of those things the hospital does supply, so I don't have to bring my own from home. But I'm also thinking about bringing this massager. I showed this in my 3rd trimester must-haves. When you turn it on, it has the rollers and the heat, so I think this would be really nice for back pain. I'm not sure if I'm going to bring it just because I don't know if it will really help. I'll have my husband for counter pressure. I'm thinking this would be nice, but don't know if I'm being too extra, so this is up in the air. This is a really precious baby book that my husband and I received, and I will definitely put her first birth photo here, and then I want the hospital to do her foot imprints here on this one, so that's why I'll be bringing this. So you get a lot of paperwork when you go to the hospital. So I definitely wanted to have a place to kind of store it all. So I have this nice little folder binder thing. I'll put my husband and I's IDs, our insurance, and then our pre-registration forms in here. Any paperwork we get for baby girl, we can just add it to here. Another thing I have packed and ready to go are water bottles for my husband and I. Especially for me during labor, it's going to be super important to stay hydrated. And I also have these cute little straws. I've heard a ton of people tell me when you're in labor, it's super important to stay hydrated, but also have a bendy straw because you're going to be in weird positions and you're not always going to be able to like come to the water. So it'll be really nice to have this and my husband just be able to like give me water whatever position I'm in. And honestly, one of the most important things that you cannot forget are your snacks. So I have this bag and I'll just put it in the luggage. It fits perfectly fine. I have like trail mix and body armors and granola bars and the chia squeeze packs. So things that I can hopefully eat pretty easily in early labor, and then obviously for my husband afterwards as well. This is the bag we'll be taking with our pillows, blankets, and towels for the hospital. Hospital blankets and pillows suck. Just make sure the ones you're bringing aren't white. Okay guys, we have made it to the end of the video. I have shown you everything that I will be bringing to the hospital with me. And in reality, it's probably gonna be only 2 bags. I'm not sure if I'm gonna bring my diaper bag with me. I might just bring the wet bag full of her clothes. So yes, it seems like a lot, but we are in the middle of a pandemic still. It's my first baby and I want to be comfortable in labor and have the things that I need. Let me know in the comments if you guys would like to see a video of what I actually used in my hospital bag once I have her. I think that'd be kind of fun to look back on and be like, didn't need that, didn't use that, didn't need that, didn't use that. So let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Bye.